Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Instagram story restyle something went problem in your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you're facing the restyle problem on your Instagram app, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. Guys, in this the first method is first you can try by restarting your mobile and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After restarting, if still you are facing the issue, then open the Play Store, then search for Instagram app. If your Instagram app is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, then tap on settings, scroll down, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps, then search for Instagram. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. Here you will find storage and cache, tap on that. Once tap on clear cache, then go back. After completion of this, just restart your mobile once again and check. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram story restyle something went problem on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.